Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and I'm working on my Range Rover police vehicle, and show you what I got done so far. I built the chassis and put it underneath the body of the car or the SUV. Got the wheels on there. Well, it's going to be a mixture of everything I recently did, but um, I taped off the body. I got that black trim around it, and I did the headliner also. And next up for this is the interior. Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. Continuing on the video I started already, but I'd like to show you what I got so far. I got the interior built of the chassis for this police vehicle. Very simplified police vehicle, room for 4 or 5. Um, just a little overview of what we did earlier. We got the wheels on it, chassis on the chassis built, and interior in it. And I got the decals on the body with a nice black trim around the windows. And also got those decals on there, as you can see. So I went with the British Transport vehicle, Range Rover. So, and also we got some paint parts drying over here. Got the rear plate right here drying. Got the police light bar. I still have to paint the lights for it, the bubble lights. And you got the police stop on there. And then you got the front plate right here. So, yeah, that's what I got for you right now. When I get more, I will show you what I got, how far it's coming. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.